This is an old Ratchet I found. I don't know how long it's been sitting out. It's been on a shelf down at my mother-in-law's house for, as you can tell, probably many years. It's solid rust. None of the parts move. I mean, they're all, well, that one moved a little. And of course it's frozen up there. My goal is to restore it to as close to new as possible, at least usable. So let's see, I'm going to soaking it in vinegar for 24 hours, longer if need be. This has been in here about 4 or 5 days, and it's gotten a lot of the, you can tell it's got a lot of the rust off of it. Now we just got to get it loose or to break free. I've got this mobile, it's synthetic aircraft grease. That's all I've got right now, so that's what I'm going to use. Let me take a little, go on the inside here, just kind of coat a little bit. Pull it down here on the switch. Spring goes in like so, with a big part, large circle to the back, small one to the front. There we go. Now we put this in the gear. Back and forth. There's one way this fits in much nicer than the other one. Maybe this is the correct way. There we go. So that's in there. Let's get these screws in. I think before I put that in there, I'll put just a little bit of Loctite on the tip of the screw. Put it on the correct side, of course. Well, there you have it. Back together. It works. If you remember when I first showed you this in the beginning, this thing was locked completely. This was locked also, would not move. This was rust, you know, everywhere. It was seized up, and now it works fine. I painted the handle brown. So there you have it. I want to thank you for watching, and if you'd support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Also hit that notification bell, because then you'll be notified of the next video I put up. And I've got quite a few things coming up. I've got a bee trap coming up, bee trap build from start to finish. I have some birdhouses that are coming up pretty soon, along with some other stuff. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I also want to free up this little ball right here. It's stuck, if you can see that little ball. And so I want to free that up. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little mystery oil on there. See? Mystery oil. That really is what it is. So I've got some of that on there. Push it up and down. Now this is a 1/2 inch drive, so I've got a socket on my. Okay. It's quiet. I don't have anything that I can demonstrate it on yet. I'll see if I can find something, and I will demonstrate how it works. Okay, so I did a little research on this thing. I think it was probably manufactured maybe in the 50s, maybe 40s. I know I thought it was a proto, but turns out it's a plum. And but it's got the same part number as a proto. It looks exactly like the proto, so I guess it's the same company. I'm not really a tube guy. I just got, this is my very first restoration, and I'm kind of proud of it. I didn't know what I was doing, but you know, I had all the tools to do it with. I had the vinegar and everything, and it just worked out. So I just wanted to try my luck at it, and I think it turned out good. You can leave in the comments, you know, what you think and how it turned out. But yeah, it's made in the USA. It's a 5449 plum, and it's working good. So yeah, I'm kind of proud of it. So I will be doing some other restorations and maybe even tools and stuff like that, but this being my first one, I'm kind of excited about it. So leave in the comments if you got any comments to make about it, good or, you know, critical or whatever, something I could have done better. Now they do make a repair kit for it. I did see that. It's like 20 bucks, and but I didn't think I needed it. Now one of the springs in here was just a little weak, but I may not ever use it. But it's a 1/2 inch drive, but I may use it. I mean, it'll be available. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.